Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Kraken. First, open your browser and use the search bar to look for the Kraken website. Once on the homepage, click on My Account at the top. If you don't already have an account, you can create one from here. After logging in, you'll see your portfolio value and various options displayed in the center. Click on Complete Verification to begin the identity check process. Hit the Continue button and enter your country name. Next, you'll be prompted to choose either a passport or a national ID to upload a photo. Select National ID and either upload a photo directly or choose to continue on your mobile device. Once your verification is complete, click on Transfer from the left-hand menu. You'll now be able to deposit money into your Kraken account. On the homepage, you'll also find your deposit address for crypto deposits. Similarly, you'll have the option to withdraw money. In the transfer area, click on Withdraw to take money out of your Kraken account. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.